Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So first you should go into the camera application and then here click on the right upper corner on the settings icon. The first section that you'll see, that's the aspect ratio section, and now we got here set it the just default one, the recommended 4:3. You can change it here to the 1:1, and now we can see here that we just successfully changed our aspect ratio to the 1:1. And here also we can change it to the full screen. So now we can see that. So as can you see, that's really easy, and also we can change back to the 4:3, the aspect ratio. So as can you see, that's really simple. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.